Children, 1/3 of our population, yet all of our future. In Pakistan, millions of people have no access to any form of education. Generation after generation continues to live in ignorance. You can let them be, or with a little education and training, they can become your biggest asset. In the mid-90s, a group of concerned citizens pledged to bring about a change. A pledge that germinated into a conscious effort and gave birth to the Citizens Foundation.
A group of friends and we were all sitting around the table deciding on what is the best thing we can do for these children, the children of Karachi who go around the streets, whom we meet at traffic lights on crowded city streets, not knowing where they came from.
TCF is a not-for-profit organization devoted to the cause of providing quality education to children in need. TCF has now gone beyond 63 locations across Pakistan in a structured form.
This is one such neighborhood where you now see children from the TCF program walking around, getting ready to go to school. We chose for ourselves a difficult model, which is of making small primary schools and taking them to the heart of the neighborhood rather than having a large school for 4,000 or 5,000 children.
TCF builds schools within the community and employs an all-female staff. This way, little children can walk to school and girls are encouraged to enroll. Education thus becomes a neighborhood activity.
The program is all about children and teachers. Without the teachers, it is meaningless.
Well, I've been working with TCF for the last 2 years and it has been a very exciting experience for me. I've never worked before and I joined here after completing my post-graduation. And the kind of training and workshops or refresher courses which they conduct, I haven't heard about these things regarding any other institution or any other organization. This is the thing which I have found most inspiring.
From KG to Matric, TCF schools are a complete educational experience. Every TCF primary school has 6 classrooms, an administrative block, an art room, a play area, and a library. Secondary schools have more classrooms, as well as computer and science labs. Arts and crafts, sports, and occupational training are all high points of the educational program. The emphasis is not just on academics, but a well-rounded education in an environment that encourages creativity and fosters moral and spiritual development. TCF is all about giving. Children discover the joy of giving when they present to a younger child a plant that they have nurtured and looked after for a full year.
TCF में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ पे टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग के लिए बहुत वास्ट फील्ड है. जो बच्चे हमें मिलते हैं, हम उनको जब अपने स्कूल में लाते हैं और उनको जब ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, लिखना पढ़ना सब कुछ सिखाते हैं, तो वो जब सीख लेते हैं ना तो बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिलता है.
My name is Faryad. I'm teaching in TCF Secondary School, Vadaladak, and I have been working here for 4.5 years. It's very friendly environment, and the kids are very eager to learn. Although it's a rural area, but our students are very intelligent.
हमारे इस दफ़ा 4 बच्चे मैट्रिक के इम्तहान में प्री बोर्ड में गए और इन चारों का A ग्रेड आया है।
मेरा नाम फरजाना कुरबान है और मैंने इस साल TCF स्कूल से साइंस ग्रुप में मैट्रिक किया है। मेरी परसेंटेज जो है वो 80.4 है।
मेरा नाम कबीर अहमद है और मैंने मैट्रिक के एग्ज़ाम TCF स्कूल से दिए और सुबह में मैं स्कूल आता था और दोपहर को दुकान पे बैठता था और इस तरह शाम को पढ़कर मैंने ये पेपर दिया। मुझे पायलट बनने का शौक़ है।
मैं प्राइमरी से मैंने फर्स्ट से जो है 4th क्लास से यहाँ पर TCF स्कूल में पढ़ी हूँ। आगे मैं कॉलेज में एडमिशन लूँगी और इंशाल्लाह मेरा जो है इरादा है डॉक्टर बनने का और इंशाल्लाह बनूँगी।
When children leave the TCF environment, they take back some very fond memories. Memories that will one day help them take better decisions in their lives. Memories that will make them proud, tolerant, and responsible human beings.
Our dream is that in the future we build 1,000 schools, get in 300,000 children, and that this should lead to something bigger in the future. From an organization, it should become a movement for a better Pakistan.